Want to know how to link booking.com and chat through booking.com just by using ChatGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your chatgpt.com website or just simply open up your ChatGPT application. So once you have done that, on the left side you should be seeing new chat right here, or you can just simply select Ctrl plus Shift plus O to open up your new chat as well. Once that is done as well, on your new chat here you should be seeing your prompt box or your text box. So just simply select your text box and type in @ first. So once you have typed in the first @ here, you should be seeing various options. So just simply select booking.com right there. So once you have selected booking.com, you can just simply drop anything, maybe explore the booking.com tab, add images, files, and then just also get recommendations from ChatGPTs about booking.com and their hotels. And that's it, super simple and easy. Use booking.com through ChatGPT. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you next one.